today's unboxing. We've got a few different things today to have a look at. Main bag, we've got some jumping spiders, which we'll have a look at in a few minutes. And we've also got some young baby axolotls. So we've got some nice albinos here. Just grown on a little bit babies that we're going to go and float in with the axolotl tank. We've got two of these. At the moment we've got these two albinos, and we've also got some blacks that we've had in over the weekend. Coming soon will be our baby gold axolotls that we're just rearing. And then the jumping spiders that we've got are Philopocius apacheus. These are a really pretty little red jumping spider, different to the Florida regius species. As you can see, they look a bit like little baked beans at this size. Do go quite fast, quite large. There's one of those. See if there's any others that are right. This one looks a bit more yellow here. Very pretty on that one. See if you might want to come out. Oh, it's got little yellow fangs as well. And then we've also had in over the weekend some snails, all albinos. We've got some jades in. Oh, just getting this jumping spider back in. We've got some jades in and some tiger albinos as well. Really good sizes. These are the jades. So if you want to pop down to have a look at any of these new bits, feel welcome to.